I can seize my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will.
The EcoFlow Blade robotic lawnmower sets a new standard in lawn care. It covers areas up to 3,000 square meters, connects to your smartphone in just minutes, pauses when it rains, and runs on 4G, GPS, and eSIM, making it easy to track on a map. It also uses EcoFlow X-Vision and RTK technologies to detect and avoid obstacles and debris, adjusting its mowing route in real time. The EcoFlow Blade costs $3,474. Master Hub is a modular controller designed for a wide range of users, from gamers to sound engineers. By choosing and attaching the right modules, users can build their ideal setup of hotkeys, sliders, encoders, and other controls. The basic kit, which includes 3 modules and a mounting base, costs $259. The ProtoArc XKO1 Bluetooth keyboard weighs just 285 grams and features quiet scissor switch keys. Best of all, it folds down to just 21 centimeters. You can get it for $46. This controller from 8BitDo is a favorite among fighting game fans. It works with Xbox and PC, and it's tournament ready because it's complete with a switch to disable SOCD functions, which are banned in some competitions. It costs $100. Modern games heat up phones and consoles so much that cooling them down with the OnePlus system might be a good idea. Cool air is pulled into a separate unit and then funneled to the smartphone, lowering its temperature to as little as 34 degrees Celsius. The system costs $110. The team at Crush Metric introduces a double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel thermal mug. It keeps drinks hot or cold, holds 450 milliliters, and costs $62. The Jawok store is selling this unusual fidget toy for $6. When it's so hot outside you can barely think, that's when you'll want the Ice Light Neck air conditioner. Even in 37-degree heat, it gives you a refreshing sensation of 18 degrees. It runs for 30 hours on a single charge. The price is $179. Give us a like if you appreciate a tidy kitchen. You'll probably agree that rice, barley, and other dry goods look much neater in this dispenser than in boxes. It rotates 360 degrees, has 6 compartments, and costs $45. The Devoon Dipow is both stylish and powerful. It charges your MacBook Air from 0 to 51% in just half an hour and looks like a fire hydrant. Plus, the built-in screen displays social media notifications and other handy info. It's priced at $50. The BT20 Wingman Power Bank is, according to its creators, a revolution. First, the batteries are easy to remove. Second, it's user-friendly even for left-handed people. And third, it's ultra-compact, just a bit smaller than a credit card, and pocket-friendly. Without batteries, the BT20 Wingman goes for only $25. The Chirp RPM Mini is a massager that fits right in your backpack. It combines pulses and vibrations to relieve muscle pain and speed up recovery. A single charge gives you up to 4 hours of use. The price is $306. The Aya Neo 3 is a modular gaming console with PC-level performance. The top-tier version features an OLED display, a 12-core processor, 64GB of RAM, and 4 TB of storage. It can run titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 with ease. Prices start at $1,200. The Yoffo Prisma is a sleek hub that offers multiple ports, 15-watt wireless charging and storage, perfect even for an office setup. Like it? Get ready to spend $149. If you enjoy shooting videos with your phone, you'll love the TECHZONE Wheels Go. It's powered by voice control and AI algorithms, allowing your phone to move and keep the subject in frame at all times. This little device costs $285. The Wolfbox MF50 electric blower weighs only 200 grams, but runs at full power for up to 4 hours. It comes with 4 nozzles: flat, brush, narrow, and wide, designed for all kinds of scenarios from cleaning of electronics to household surfaces. The Wolfbox MF50 stands out for its versatility and its price of just $40. No more cold drinks or desperate microwaving attempts. Your coffee or tea will stay warm thanks to this gadget. It heats up to 54, 65, or 80 degrees Celsius and shuts off with a timer. You can also use it for aromatherapy by warming up scented candles. The device costs $20. coolgadgets is a slime that's perfect for car owners because it makes interior cleaning much easier. But it's also a hit with gamers who need to keep their keyboards spotless. You can buy it for $7. The Shark Vac Mop Pro combines the best features of a mop and a cordless vacuum. It first sucks up debris, then cleans the floor with detergent and vac mop absorbent pads. The pads are disposable, just press a button to toss them out. The Shark Vac Mop Pro costs $100. These storage boxes are perfect for shoes, accessories, and more. No assembly required. You can use them as soon as they arrive. Plus, the built-in lighting and the remote control make the whole setup even better. A set of 8 costs $680. The Clear Look silicone phone holder costs $7 and lets you stick your smartphone to a mirror, fridge, or tile, freeing up your hands for more important things. The seller says this unsinkable ship in a box represents courage, making it a meaningful gift for just $16. The Ninja Pro Never Stick makes perfect Belgian waffles with a crispy edge. Its unique design ensures even heating from edge to edge, and the included measuring cup makes handling batter easier. It sells for $100. BT Range Hood is especially useful for small apartments and mobile homes. It not only eliminates smoke and grease, but also removes 80% of odors. It's also very easy to use. Just plug it in and it's ready to go. The price is $100. This cordless shower runs for 90 minutes non-stop. It pumps up to 8 liters per minute and isn't just for washing up. Use it to water the garden, rinse your car, or tackle any task that needs a mobile water source. It's priced at $31. Y-Trip is a suitcase on steroids. It opens from the sides like a closet or from the top like a cooler, and when needed, it doubles as a nightstand or a mini workstation. A great pick for digital nomads. It holds about 42 liters and costs at least $269. The BrewMate Brew Tank Cooler, complete with tap and built-in dispenser, turns any event into a buffet. Take it to the beach, a picnic, or the stadium and share your drinks with friends. After all, this cooler holds 48 cans and 10 liters of tap-ready beverage. It goes for $400. HydroLamp is a lamp with built-in cooling, filtration, and water supply systems. Its 10 brightness levels pair beautifully with a fabric shade and select maple wood, while the 4-liter water tank makes it especially useful for the elderly, people with limited mobility, or those recovering from illness. HydroLamp sells for $170. Want to grow flowers, vegetables, herbs, or greens but don't have a garden yet? No problem. You can start for just $50. That's what this hydroponic system costs. It works with special pods like a coffee machine, and compared to its competitors, it delivers harvests 20% faster. This ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for glasses, watches, jewelry, and many other items. It doesn't require any chemicals and safely removes unpleasant odors. The price is $6. Alpha Grilla's claws aren't just for shredding meat, they're also great for tossing salads. From pulled pork sandwiches to Caesar salads, Alpha Grillers can help with all kinds of recipes, and the claws cost just $10. The Wikomi VB06 earbuds deliver on both design and performance. Thanks to their Bluetooth 5.3 support, built-in 13mm speakers, and 4 hours of battery life, they offer solid sound for only $12. The Game Baby case turns your iPhone into a retro console. Snap the button panel onto the screen and play games via the Delta emulator, which supports NES and GBA classics. It costs $28. If you like writing notes by hand, you'll love Xnote. It combines a pen and notepad with ChatGPT integration. With Xnote, you can instantly digitize your handwriting, get a brief summary, translate what you wrote, or even solve a math problem. The set is priced at $255. This tarantula doesn't just come with a remote control, it comes with a scare factor. Imagine reading a book when suddenly, out of the corner of your eye, you spot a creepy spider with glowing eyes crawling across the floor. Surprisingly, it's recommended for kids aged 6 and up and sells for just $40. Kitchen disasters are a thing of the past with the Voku timer. Once it goes off, it emits a 90 decibel sound you'll hear anywhere in the house. And it's easy to use. Just twist to set the time and press the button. It costs $15. The Crunch Cup XL Blue Cup is designed for food on the go. It can store cereal and milk separately, so you can mix them whenever you're ready for a snack. The price is $25. DrinkMate OmniFizz lets you carbonate beverages anytime, anywhere. Want bubbles in your tea? No problem. The Fizz Infuser Tech takes care of the pressure for you. This device costs $133. Rapid Slicer offers this slicing system to delight home cooks. It handles everything from small items like olives to larger ones like chicken breasts, and it only costs $16. The XJimmy Mogo 4 is a projector about the size of a large thermos. A single charge gives you 2.5 hours of use. 2 Harman Kardon speakers with a total output of 12 watts deliver rich, high-quality sound. The projector costs $500. The Mactar Minimax is a compact SSD drive with a built-in display. It connects to all kinds of devices, from smartphones to game consoles, and comes in sizes ranging from 512GB to 2TB. Prices start at $120. The Active Era Luxury Air Mattress fits into a compact bag and inflates in just 2 minutes with its built-in pump. Yet it's as comfortable as a regular bed. It even has an integrated pillow for extra neck support. The mattress costs $93. The Eco Mirage T trash can also features a motion sensor, so the lid opens on its own and stays open for 5 seconds. Very convenient. The bin holds 50 liters. This product costs $90. Nike and Hyperice have released sneakers with built-in heating and dynamic air compression. They help you warm up before a workout and unwind afterward. There are 3 compression settings and 3 temperature options: 44, 48, and 52 degrees Celsius. These sneakers sell for $900. The Celux SL2 engraver weighs just 80 grams and fits in a backpack. Yet it engraves at 4,000 millimeters per second. The 10-watt laser works on leather, plastic, wood, and other materials. The engraver costs $850. The Immolent MS32 flashlight was the brightest in the world last year, a stunning 200,000 lumens. The price is just as dazzling, $750. But this flashlight has a beam distance of 1,600 meters and runs for 345 hours on a single charge. HoloPet isn't just a gadget, it's a portal to a digital ocean. Inside a transparent cube floats a holographic jellyfish that reacts to touch. It's a living piece of office art, and also a multifunctional device with a clock, weather forecast, and Bluetooth speaker. How about using HoloPet as a nightlight? The Indiegogo campaign hasn't launched yet, so the price is still unknown. But if you leave your email on the product page, the makers will give you an exclusive 40% discount. Fidget toys are more popular than ever, and this revolver, which goes for no less than $611, is proof of that. With RoboTwist, your hands won't suffer when you need to open a stubborn jar. This gadget is designed for lids with a diameter of 30 to 89 millimeters and sells for $20. The Withings Beam O combines a thermometer, stethoscope, heart rate monitor, and ECG machine in one device. You can take your temperature and check your heart and lungs in just 1 minute. You can also send the data to your doctor in real time or as a report later on. It costs $290. The Insta360 Link 2C is a handy webcam for both work and play. For $150, you get AI noise cancellation, gesture control, and full compatibility with popular platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Twitch. The ETEC City infrared thermometer gives you precise readings across a wide temperature range, from -50 to +450 degrees Celsius. The price is $17. Toilet seat do you have? Maybe it's time to switch to a gel one. It improves circulation and lets you sit for long periods without your legs going numb. The price is $23. The Towel L-Ring Pro is a ring and case combo that lets you control a wide range of devices, from TVs to iPads. Presentations, movie nights, graphic design work. The Towel L-Ring Pro gives you a fresh way to handle all kinds of familiar tasks. It costs $228. This TECHZONE kitchen tool costs $20. It's essential for slicing potatoes, carrots, butter, and more with clean, precise cuts.
Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next video.